These are products. We have the beverages. We have the Choco Loco, our chocolate drink. Our coffee, Cafe Plus. And this is our health juice, the Guyabano juice. We have the Four Seasons. This is our slimming juice. And we have the Melon Burst. This is our whitening juice. Next, we have our beauty soaps. We have Citron with citrus extract. Luminosity with collagen and kojic acid. Next, we have Raven with activated carbon. And next, we have Serenity with argan oil and papain. Next, we have Perla or Personal Lifestyle Assistant. Makikita nyo po yan sa Google Play Store as Libmos. Pwede mo po siyang install sa cellphone, sa tablet, and pwede mo rin gamitin sa PC. It's a health app na para kami kasamang nurse or dietitian sa cellphone mo. It was created by Dr. Blesenda Barona, which is the author of Healing Wonders of Diet. Gandahan po nitong app na to, napakarami na pong testimonies, mga totoong tao na natulungan pong gumaling sa mga sakit nila. And ang kagandahan po nito, it was backed up by before and after laboratories, like these people were able to reverse diabetes and high blood using or following the protocol of Perla without even using food supplements and medicines. Kaya po napakaganda po nitong application na to. Kaya po pag sinundan nyo po to, sigurado pong malaki po ang may tutulong nito sa mga nararamdaman nyo po. Kung gusto nyo pong malaman yung kabuuan ng tungkol po sa product na to, we will send you videos para magka-idea po kayo what is Perla and you could listen to the testimonies ng mga taong natulungan ng Perla.